Hey guys, it's me Gigi. So what we're going to work on today is a technique that I see all the time on the socials, and I'm not really sure every time I see it what they're using. It could either be alcohol ink or watercolors or something along those lines. I know I've seen people mix pigments into maybe alcohol or something and do it that way as well. So a lot of options, but I'm just gonna try it. I did a couple of little practicey nails before I did the video, and I was like, I'm not great at it yet, but you know, this whole channel has just been an exercise in me learning how to do nail art, so come along with me while we learn to do this. And as you can see, all I'm doing is taking my alcohol inks. And if you're wondering how I made those, I'll link that for you here. All I'm doing is taking it and putting a little drop on there and taking this clean brush with alcohol on it and using it to draw a flower petal. That's it. That's all I'm doing. But there's a learning curve to it. You know, you can say anything and make it sound simple. And it is simple, and it wasn't really that hard, but I think learning to make them look really good is going to take some practice, and so I'm going to work on it, and we will definitely revisit this in a future video, but I'm going to try really hard to just keep practicing on it and trying to figure out different ways to do it. There's some other things I've seen that make me want to try them as well, so you know, I got ideas in my head, and we're gonna see if we can work them out together. So now on this one I decided, you know, I'm not sure I've ever seen anyone do this, but I wanted to have more of a layered color to my petals. So I put down a little yellow, and that's giving us sort of a yellow into orange into pink sort of vibe. And I'm just blowing out that pink a little more, making it a little longer. And I think that's where I messed up, and I should have stopped before I did that. But, you know, it is what it is, and I'm not going to be upset about it. Now, I'm going to just do 2 random leaves here, and I just thought, you know, plants have leaves, and maybe this is a flower that fell on a table with some leaves, right, out of your bouquet, or maybe off of a plant or something, or maybe it fell on the tile on the floor, and you're just looking at it, and it's pretty, right? That's kind of where my head was at when I made this set. There is a second nail with flowers on it. I'm going to save that footage for a short, so be sure you're subscribed so you see that in your feed. Otherwise, the video just would have been a lot longer, and I don't technically get a lot of folks who want to watch a super long video. Things tend to be are trending more toward the shorter videos right now, so I've been trying to keep them under 10 minutes, but I'm going to make an effort to do more shorts because it seems like that's what people are watching a lot of right now, and I want to give you guys what you like and still get to do the work I like to do, so I think it'll end up being a win-win, right? So now I'm just outlining the petals and stuff and adding some dots here and there and a little bit of line work here and there. But the thing is, it's so subtle. I feel like maybe I should have gone in a little darker with that. I really struggled getting good pictures of the white nails. The pink nails, of course, they're fine. And I didn't really talk about the fact that I did a little stamping on those, but it was super subtle and really cute, and the stamp is flamingos with some summery things, which I know it's not summer yet, but I don't know, I was just feeling it. I just thought it was cute, and I was trying to play with those. If you've been around the channel for a while, you may remember I bought some stamping plates that didn't stamp so well. They're by a company called Wokoto or Wokoto. I'll have it listed below. And I was just testing some of them to see if any of them really worked. And turns out there was a few that stamped pretty well. So I was inspired by that one. I was like, I think that if you were in Florida wearing a shirt with a big flower on it, or sitting under a tree wearing a shirt with a bunch of flamingos on it, and you were surrounded by beautiful flowers, right? So, you know, not to get political with it, but honestly, who wants to go to Florida right now? That's terrifying. Anyways, we're going to add some gems to these because we did not do the stamping all the way to the top on those 2 nails. I wanted to leave a little room for gems, and that's what I did. I did not clean off the sticky layer on that, sorry, hard gel. It was hard gel. It's actually hard gel. And so that's why that happened. I should have wiped off the sticky layer, but I didn't. And so there you go. It just made for a little sticky situation, being a little more gentle with this one. There you go. And you definitely want to flow that polish a little bit more. I hear giggling downstairs. We had kids spend the night last night. One of my granddaughters was living with her dad in Michigan, and she came home. And so we had a little get together last night, and people are still here and downstairs giggling. But guys, this is the finished set. Sorry about that. This is the finished set. And I really like them. They're super subtle, but also a little bit in your face at the same time. I think they would be beautiful vacation nails, or spring or summer nails, or even for Easter. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. I can't wait till we get to 500 so we can do that giveaway. I'm so excited about that prize, and so excited to make sure somebody gets to play with those products because it's a pretty good prize. Okay, guys, we're going to see you next week for some more awesome videos. Mwah! Bye-bye.